How to make PayPal your primary payout method on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To make your PayPal your primary payout method, first and foremost, launch a TikTok application in your device. Now over here at the bottom, check out your profile. From here, go ahead and select on the three horizontal line. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Account, you will see the option of Balance. Click on it. Over here, you'll be able to check out your balance as well. If you have added any of your payment method beforehand, you will see the option of Manage over here. If not, you can even tap on the Get Coins option or Get Reward option. Over here, you need to tap on any of this and click on Recharge. After which, you will have to add a payment method. If you don't want to add a credit or debit card, you can add your PayPal or any of the other payment method as well. To add your PayPal, what you need to do is you have to sign in into your PayPal account using the credential. After you have successfully linked your PayPal to your TikTok, you'll be able to make your PayPal your primary payout method. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.